Hi everyone, I'm back with another video, and this one's going to be another shoe unboxing, since the first ever YouTube video that I did was unboxing some Solovair boots that I got from Depop, and everybody seemed to enjoy seeing me unbox them on camera. So I've actually bought another pair and I thought that I had to give you a first impression. So if you haven't subscribed already, then please do, and remember to like my videos. I'll just get on with unboxing the shoes. So here's the box. I actually, in my last video, mentioned the fact that I am a size 5.5 UK size, but I did buy a size 5 and they actually seem to fit quite well. So when I was shopping on the Solovair website this time around, I had a look at the loafers, which is what these are, and I decided to go with a size 5 for those too as well, since there's no laces or anything on a loafer. I thought that to keep them on my feet I would go for a size 5 again, and hopefully when I try them on they should fit. That's everything I think. I got them from the Solovair website. I will link them down below for you if you want to take a look at them, and I'll just get on with opening up this box. So first of all, obviously got the Solovair wrapping paper in there, and then these are the shoes that I've got. So I'll take them out for you. A lot of tissue paper sounds. So this is the loafer that I've gone for, and it's this beautiful bottle green colour. Hopefully you can see it really nicely in the camera, but I don't have any green shoes, and I absolutely love wearing green and orange specifically, to wear them together, like in this Relco shirt that I showed in my last haul video actually, which was a video that went up on Wednesday. And I just think that this colour together will just be so amazing. And they're just a regular tassel loafer. They've got the grey signature Solovair stitching on them, and obviously these ones are brand new, so I don't have to sort of inspect them for any imperfections or anything like I did with my last ones, because they were from Depop. So this is the shoe. I'm just going to put them on and show you how they look and how I would style them, and also then I can advise you on the fit as well. So here's the shoes when I first tried them on, and I actually have the advantage of filming this voiceover after I'd worn them for a day at work, which I have to admit was a little bit of a mistake because I've got a few blisters now. That is expected from box fresh shoes, but I just want to say I absolutely love the colour of these shoes. They're so different. I think a 5 is okay, a little bit tight at the moment, but I think once I've worn them in they'll be great. I love them. I thought I'd quickly show you the outfit that I chose to style my boots with. So I've got this Relco shirt on, which is from a previous video, and some navy braces with my just simple black trousers, and then you can see I got my loafers on as well, and I really love them, so hopefully you do too. Let me know what you think about them, and I'll see you again for my next video. Bye!